Good morning, this is the ExactTrades.com Shakers Report for October 26, 2011. First, we're taking a look at the SPY at the S&P 500. You can see here in yesterday's session, we pushed into that resistance again near 126, failed that high, and then when we broke through support at 125, we had quite a bit of selling. Came down into 124, broke that, got a little bit of a bounce below 123.30, tried to hold up there, and then had another move down late in the day. Really tested this support around 122.70 from this pullback here on October 21st and held that. Aftermarket gapped up a little bit and we're holding pre-market this morning. We had moved up into this 124.40 range. Now we're pulling back into this 123.70. So watch this again today. If we break through this 122.70, next support's going to be 122 area. It could bounce a little bit before 122. Around this 122.12, 122.15 area. Watch that between that and 122 for support. So if we break through here, be more patient with your shorts. Also look to be tighter and more protective on your longs as we're breaking through the support level. If we come down in here, if we get a weak bounce off of 122 and then a fail at 122, again, be more patient with those longs and try to get more out of those trades. Next support could be down into 122.50 area. And then 120, 121 right in there. So several support levels down here from this consolidation that we just broke out of. If we hold today over this 123.50 and move up, watch 124.65 area for some resistance. Next would be 125 and then the highs right around 126. So those are the areas to watch on the long side if we do get some buying off the open. See if it pushes through here. Just vice versa, stay more patient with your longs, be more protective on your short trades, and look for more longs. And also, if we break through 125, look for a move up into 126. So let's go ahead and look at today's trades. First, we have KFT. You can see here the high is around 35.50. We've tested it a couple times, and we've been in a pretty tight consolidation range between this 34.65 and 35.50. for about 7 or 8 sessions. So you see this consolidation pattern here. Going to look for a breakout over this high. Going to take this long over 35.56. First profit target is going to be 35.91. Second profit target is going to be 36.26. So right about here. Watch it at 36. Could have a little bit of resistance there. And then I would trail a stop on your last piece. Try to test this 36.50 to 36.60 area for your last piece of that trade. Next we're looking at HSY. You can see here the high is just under the 61. I'm going to take this long over 61.07. Now we've had this on the report a couple times and it stayed in this consolidation range, so not a big pullback, staying right under this resistance level. So we keep this on the alert and keep waiting for this to break. It's still going to be a good trade. First profit target is going to be 61.68. Second profit target is going to be 62.29. And then I would trail a stop in your last piece. See if you can break through 62.50 and really try for the 63 area. And now we're looking at GSK. We have a resistance level here right around 45. You can see we broke through previous resistance, pulled back, and we've been consolidating now under this resistance level. So we're going to look to take this long over the high, say 45.06. Take it long. First profit target is going to be 45.51. So right about there, 45.50. Take your first profit, move up your stop at that point. Next profit target is going to be 45.96, so just under 46. Take a little bit more off, and then trail a stop in your last piece. See if you can push through 46, and I would try for 46.50 and possibly 47, depending on what the market's doing today. Now we're looking at HDB. You can see tested the support level in yesterday's session a couple times after the sell-off, right around $30. Going to look to take this short under that $30 mark. Going to go short at 29.94. First profit target is going to be 29.65. Second profit target is going to be 29.36. And then I would trail a stop on your last piece, see if you can come down and test this 29 area. Now we're looking at DTE. Support is just over this 51. Going to look for a break below that. Going to take this short under 50.93. Kind of want to clear these lows here from October 20th. So wait until you hit 50.93. Take it short. First profit target is going to be 50.43. So take some off here. Adjust your stop. Next profit target is going to be 49.93. So watch it at 50. You may want to take it a little bit early on your second target. You also have this low here from October 18th, which was just under that $50 mark. So that could bounce a little early if you're waiting for 49.93. So I would go around 50, take your second profit target, and then trail the stop. See if you can break through 50, and then possibly go for 49.50, maybe even 49 if we get some selling or we're breaking support levels in the market. And our last trade is BXS. You can see the sell-off yesterday, breaking the trend line and not really having much of a bounce or holding it. You got support here at 930. We're going to look to take this short under 927. So right about there, take it short today. First profit target's going to be 918. Second profit target's going to be 909. And then I would trail a stop on your last piece. See if you can drop down below 9. Break that 9 and possibly come into 880 with your last piece of that trade. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.